Hi, good morning everyone. Second day in Snowdonia. We slept for nearly 12 hours last night. We were knackered. Today, body aches and legs hurting. I'm not sure where exactly we're going. We're definitely going to Cwm Idwal and see how we feel about climbing mountains or not. But so far, so good. The weather is great. We'll see how we feel. Whew. It's a tough climb already. We'll see how we feel about climbing to the top of the garth, but I don't think we're gonna do that. I think we're just gonna have a leisurely walk around the lakes. As you can see, plenty of bags with stones to maintain the path. Thank you to everyone who is looking after the path so people like me can enjoy a bit of mountain walking and climbing. This is what my crazy dog is doing. Jumping all over all muddy puddles and then all over me. And I don't really... You go clean yourself. Good boy. Wait. Hey, stop pulling. Stop it, I'm not giving you anything. Right guys, so we got to the first lake. This one is called Lyn Bochluit. And we're gonna have a little chill here for a moment. And then we're gonna find a path. We're gonna take it easy, although it's not that easy actually after yesterday. We're gonna take it easy and climb a bit more to Cwm Idwal, I believe it's called. Milo's got the freedom of the lead now. But he's pretty good actually, he's staying with me. There's no sheep around, so I let him, some weird noises, so I let him, you know, wander around freely for a bit. And I think he appreciates that. Don't go too far, Milo! But he comes back, so that's good. Isn't it? And there he is. Here you go. I know. So I can't whistle. So I had to find different way of calling him, and I am making this noise, and then he comes back to me. I'd say 90% of time so far he is coming back to me. Not always. Not when there's another dog or another animal to chase. No. So we have to work on that still. No, not all of them for you. What you got here? What you got here? How'd you get here? You are so dirty. So dirty. Right, you go and have fun. And I'll just like chill for a minute. Stop biting. Milo. Good boy. He's got some freedom, don't you? See what's there. He wants to see what's there. So we're now heading down to the lake, and you can hear and you can see a lot of people down there, but it's bank holiday Monday, so you can only expect that. You can only expect that there will be crowds in there. Okay, this is where we came from, and it wasn't easy, but we're here, and we pretty much have the bit path on the grass left to get to the lake, so nearly there, nearly there. Come on, this way, Milo. Milo. This is it, we're heading back now. It's we're walking along the main road back to the car, but it's quite busy now and loud. Lots of cars, lots of tourists. We're not that far back now, so we're just gonna say thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Love you lots.